Part 2. The economics of cybersecurity involves understanding how financial principles and market dynamics apply to the protection of digital assets and information systems. Here's a broad overview. 1. Regulation and compliance. Compliance costs. Organizations must comply with various regulations and standards, for example, GDPR, CCA, HIPAA. Compliance often involves significant investments in security measures and ongoing audits. Penalties for non-compliance. Failing to comply with regulations can result in hefty fines and legal repercussions, which can be a major financial burden. 2. Market dynamics and industry trends. Cybersecurity market growth. The cybersecurity industry is rapidly growing as businesses and governments invest more in protection. This growth includes the development of new technologies, services, and solutions. Innovation and competition. The cybersecurity market is competitive, driving innovation and potentially reducing costs as new solutions and technologies become available. 3. Investment and funding. Venture capital. Cybersecurity startups often attract venture capital funding due to the increasing demand for innovative solutions and the growing importance of cybersecurity. Public and private sector investment. Governments and organizations invest in research and development to advance cybersecurity technologies and strategies. 4. Economic impact of cyber attacks. Industry-specific effects. The impact of cyber attacks varies by industry. For instance, financial services and healthcare sectors may face higher costs and regulatory scrutiny compared to other industries. Global economic impact. Large-scale cyber incidents can have broader economic consequences, affecting global supply chains, financial markets, and national economies. In summary, the economics of cybersecurity involves balancing the costs of implementing security measures against the potential financial impact of cyber threats, while also considering market dynamics, regulatory requirements, and the broader economic implications of cyber incidents.